tuso na kati mami boka kalakata iko misa bo tusa tigo kena ni mami borbolu mami kereti ngana lo muni nelo tambu mo ni velu ta tigo gibe ke mami ene singa bina nganda inda tabu ana weni mata satu ko ni tambera ke na yalo sakaboro ka ramusmus ene singa bina nganda inda ke mami na boka na mata tigo ngake beke muni e boka kata lo tigo ngana ndau ni sami ke mami na tata ke tigo ngake na ulu ni buno sa tata tigo meke ni mami buko na sarwole na mataka bina nganda inda Dugo ka masugum ni Jisu ni Bumula.
My voice. So.
Listo ko ng buto ko yun. Hindi natin niya. Nasigod ng DTV. Sigod ng DTV may wala na sinaban. Kami
Starbucks medium yun. Starbucks medium yun. Ako ba na YouTube channel?
Sa yellow one may carrot. Yan din hindi ako ko no what. No what? No. Can you cover with the yellow please? It will go. Police should have been now, eh? Very. Edge to edge.
Buti ko semua, itu patang. Range ko may si range ko. Taro. Taro. Taro boy. Taro. Taro boy. Nabiyan. Main dalam memang kena lagi kis. Lagi kis. Belum. Peace.
Iya, iya.
Kira sa kuya. Last it. Finish.
Don't know.
Krevende Damsuk, let us be seated. I am the life and the resurrection. Whoever believes in me, if he lives, will never die. If he dies and believes in me, he or she will live. You come into this world naked, and you will return naked. And all thanks be to God. We welcome each and every one of us this morning. First of all, a very deep and humble apology. But it is well lived. Sabi ko mula tayo natin kung tumanda ng ready na lutang. Na dali mo na wag tulad ng puro harwa. Na rin tuloy naman ito na nakalin. Wana ito na nakalo. Natakalo mo ito na natubo. Tumbulo malek. Na dali mo na wag tulad na kung matitubo na ito. Wala mo kumbuna ito na unibalu di kamar, unibalu boleh bersama dengan orang baru di kita orang berbalu mati di belakang kamar kawan. Na vi matalu tu bakal isto mukul tolong ada orang tapi cuma. Tal lu tu bakal isto betani dekke na kasi tu isle. Satu dengan kasi meu veti do bagi mana orang begitu. Na mau ni kamu ni nama lebih bayar satu semen malam lebih berdua. Nama lebih nui. Da kita bakal na tu lebih taman. Tunta bitiko, may kalibin na narutunan na, kapag kami namin cuma di kita dulu, kapag kami namin matubitokan, muli magawa di mo narusun na matubitokan mo. Pati po kami nagkatin bili sumuha mo yung rapo, kami naliniwas sa sumubiti na may mangkaroon ni may mikya mo ni matubitokan, kami nuluto na konita, kapag mo na meron may lang siligan na matubitokan yung dahil. Naroon na nakatulog, kapag kami nakani raw, ni cuma di kita dulu. Itu dari mulai cuma kalau yang kau nampak itu kan jauh itu cuma tentang tu. Kau ni mana kita mulai lagi. Kau mulai lagi cuma tu. Kau bukan nak nak masuk ke rumah kau dormina. Yes, kau lebih kau tu sama dormina. Iya, lu tu kau ni mana kau? Mana lu tu mana tu kau ni? Ni kau pergi cuma rusak. Kau ni mana? Ni bukan kita tu lu tu ni kau ni mana? En kita juga bosan sakit itu juga macam itu juga lagi rela nak kita tu rela bapa kusi kita ni suruh tu macam itu bebu tu itu kan di luar sana ni bapa ni nak suruh orang kita juga bosan betul ni itu ni bangga dan lengkap dan kita buat apa dia minta di meliti sini dan kini boleh buat apa di sini buat sambil kita masuk kami mana kami kalau orang kami benar. Kalau yang ni lewa, ni benua, ni beka kena. Sintor kan ni memang teman, ni memang lalu mai ni suruh boleh tak. Yang ni boleh benar kata itu nak kalau. Dona Singapore, kamu ni lewa ni memang mai. Tu nak kali ni memang berkerama, tu nak kali malu tak kalau memang sotapa. Ni sulit memang bulan kau na iau na bana na kim sampai so. En buku na ni bantu tak. Pamili benar tak ni bulan bubale. Pamili benar tak ni biar kan ni mai. Binaka binaka kali ni no. Namanya benar bubale boleh dekat. Pamili benar tak ni bulan ni bantu tormani. Namanya benar bulan kasih yang mai bulan benar. Essa ni bulan tu. When you again on the bulan bunwani, rotono vita dini, bubali ke kene biokani, kene biken. Naka, Kem sampai lu tu kan boleh benar. Era bulan nomor 5. Ni sudah mai ni sakot lesu. Romada ni memang masuk. Bosot ni memang perlu, bosot sebab ni memang ni natali. Kalau ngata sokolo ni sini buat. Lesu romada ni nomor 5. Mami lesu kalau lagi marah ni memang bola. Rautan ni mulia, sam mulia. Sabti buat jalan ni syarot. Era bukan ni cisu ni bapa. Saya ni kalau saya sama lu tak kira itu dah. Kerana saya berbeza.
Suka kari sito.
Let us say the Lord's Prayer in our own languages. Tasamasu. Kami kiman di may mamalay. Namoro tayo na lang di. Ako may nalulimatin ito. Dakan mamamuli ang pura-pura may kasa na may mamalay. Sila may kiman di singawa na kakani roti kiman. Kodman na may kiman wala. Kami may sama kodawit di mga nasable wala di kiman. Kuni kau kini mami kini ber, kamu ni bawa mulai kini mami menada, isar kuni nama itu, kena kau kawan, kena lagi, sesuatu di mundo, evet, suatu.
Bisa diusahakan Tuhan dari total dari kami terlalu merasa kita melibatkan yang termintan kajian kuat sebelumnya kuat to apologize for a small changes there in pathways. I invite you for a few minutes, please. Pathways. Mula-mula dapat tingin mo dito.
Mino tātou, e hōna re te karo e te tatua, e mana ngā te kurema. E kāro pai ki ka takata katoa o haka e te atua, e ka hau, ke roto ke tīna, ki tīna o mātou, a ka tōngi ato wairu a tapu, hei awhina, hei tohu, ki a mātou o tēnei rā. Ki a hora te maino, ki a whakapapa pauramu te moana, ki a tere ai, ki ka hore i e rua, tonu i o kautau kuarahe, tātou katoa, tūturua whiti whakamaua ki a teina, hauki e, hui e, tāhiki e.
My name is Ruth Hamilton, Tucker's TC from Pathways. It's been my pleasure and privilege to have worked with Tucker for the last 18 months, and it's a genuine honour to have been invited to speak today. I enjoyed the many conversations that I had with Tucker. She shared her values, what was important to her. Aotearoa, her husband, her children, her sisters and brothers, and her grandbaby. Her church, her faith, her work, her sense of service. We talked about her journey. I admired her courage and dignity in the hardest of times. This was and is an inspiration to all of us. Our teams and colleagues have spent the past week since losing Tucker reflecting and sharing with each other how important she has been to everyone, to her family, her community, her church, her colleagues, and all the people she cared for. We rely on her. I rely on her. She walked beside you. She was a true friend. Tucker was one of those rare people who made things better simply by her presence. She always showed up. She showed up with integrity and care, and supported others without hesitation, no matter what was happening. She had quiet strength about her, steady, grounded, deeply reassuring and humble. The personal qualities, care and skills and abilities that she brought to her work with us were stunning. She told me that she loved her work and that it gave her a deep sense of purpose. Tucker brought her whole self to work. What stood out just as much were her hugs, her warmth, her sense of fun and her playfulness. Tucker was laughing. She was wise and beautiful woman, and we are all the better for have known knowing her. She always brought a lightness and laughter into spaces that needed it. She put people at ease. She connected easily and created a sense of safety and belonging around her. Tucker's legacy lives in all of us. The people she supported, the colleagues who learned from her, and the many small moments of kindness that may never be formally recognised but were deeply felt. Pathways Tucker worked for Pathways for 11 years in Wellington, New Zealand, and her values were strongly aligned to those of Pathways. She will be remembered not only for what she did, but how she made people feel. Valued, understood, and genuinely cared for. Tucker has touched us all with her fairy dust. And I like to think that a little bit of Taka remains in all of our hearts. And we are the better for it. We would like to extend our deepest condolences to Taka's family and community and to wish everyone all the very best for the future.
Nagap na ngani lotu sa nabe na itaktal ni tamadalak kena biarkan nenda nabe na single bubina ibo nabe sikon na itaktal kasini kingdom members pakai ni weekend na biarkan nenda sungguh singmai na buni bulan ini na buni dono bubai na tuanda na lewi nondo bubai itu sama sikon dono buno bulanya damai sando mai biarkan nabe torangan na nalagalagin ko mo kosay na bunilut. Rono dulu ros na bulon dulu to kibikin na nabi tamanin na lumunin na roto lalak may welitin. Roto may roto sa atak may na lumuni puno binakan ko malbra. Don na biyokan binakan kito may biyokan yung chiko kina. Na lumuni chiko nilut pili mga nakin na bubay. Na maramay sanda boto ko boleh kimam sa boleh boleh gunakan. En bukan ni boleh ni bongbota. Tu guna tali na bukan ni boleh ni bongbota. Na no se chiko na lo mani no na ya chiko na lo mani no vale que tu lo tu chiko na kai tu guna chiko polo be chimoy. Eu sa balo tene balo binaka usa di vivo tene der. Con tikina rang itu guna to usa to guna to bongbota. Kendo na itu ko ibito to kana marang sa anda ko tu na sigale mo binangani ko na boleh ni bongbota. Na kuno ibito sa kikina itu na lo mani kana wali gula. Vida batan na mawe ni sele teka itu yaman. Na beka ke dela duru mani danga itu taruing ko ay baka tawo ching kendo boso mo tungamo kana matende de kena boso oli swer. Kaya bale na lo mani ndende la duru mo itu kuno sunga ko sa binaka sunga ni lo. Yang nagini bulay bito tumen na marang matina sa may dapat to ni single mo binani ko. Na lo mani no dela lako ka boleh ke sa chiko. Lebu na ngono ka ganto to boso dan musi lebu na kayo sa anda puto ko ndo maram sama itu guna to ko beka dan mulai di wombota. Lebu ka ndo ni lawala ko bindala ko kenan na bubale ke dan to sunggo ni na single lebu binani ko ka bito to na ngiti ko ni luto kinalo man ni bubale pero to ni bitaman. ronda bici konangasi ro mole sar ci ko me bici kina be bu bale enda mole ci ko me na be sey mislanci enda non da may ba na numati ko ndo na mulay na kasa ci to mo ko sey ko na mulay ni bombota ay wote wote ni singa tabu sena singa o kiro visi ko ci ko kina o tirara o se mo itu na matagalila sa ginateken ni kito resote bale mulo nangono kito sa resote kina sa nabuto pa sa kito vital no sa dosar na lutu ni sa may mga kabari ci man dito lutu non na bigo sei ci ko tirara sa manita ron ko sa ci ke muni be mula mani so mata mo ko na no mo mo yo mani wasia sa ci ko be ko na itutu ko ni mula sing ni na ko ko ni ba mula ni to na tamate sing ni ci ko be kiro e ci ko wana to ye ke baka ta usanga e tu ko be ko reality ke baka saka ni na kalo ko sa na ko sama ni taro ko ta ni to na taro tinay dile ni sa ba ro ke baka saka ni na kalo saka ko sa iyo kako iyo sa ba ro mambale baka dia muna lo kito na ay cukup ni lote na lo sa ni cukup lote rifitimi randa be na ken tal kasi na lo mi tamala baka dia muna lo kito pele ni sa ron mo mo ni tu kuno ko sa baka rote ko to bana enam bulan ni bombota kena no la bo politiko na lo menin rende ga sere tunga pa ni tu tunga pa ni binaka cikon na ni bul ela ko do mo bilangan ni tu to gale o bi baka de ta gina awasya nga kina gale kana rakini bul ni marama sama inda ko cingon to na marama e ndo nene ni tu kuna na kai tuwa iyo na rakinga ni nono bul e tu kuna tu na be kala ko do mo tu kena no bombo te cikon na kalo ni bul ti kene la ola pela to cikon kina da ba be bina ko cikon kina ni da sombo ni cikon na singale ko bina ni ko be me tu kuna talo ko be ke da to mo to na bombo ta bela ka tu no polo be ti mo ye muri sawara ke ni sawara futura da ba ni cikon kina na singale ko bina ni ko da be ni tu tu mali ni bossa me tu da ni cikon kina no ko ni lo sa ba sa cikon ni kina ni na sure ci gito ci gana do ci gana ni to ser na ci ni lo tir fitim na buku na maram sama ita oke ke mundo tu lagi mundo medan ko
My name is Auntie Tila. Some of you know me as Frances. I am Abiama's eldest and her only daughter. Before I start, I want to humbly ask on Mom's behalf if there's anything she may have done to hurt anyone, knowingly or unknowingly. Please find it in your hearts to forgive her. And if there's anything anyone is holding on to, we ask that you gently let it go so that she may rest in peace. Today is Mom's birthday. A day that would usually be filled with laughter, food, and celebration, and in a way it still is. Mom always said she didn't want her funeral to be a day of sadness, but a day of celebrating her life. So for her to be laid to rest on the very day she was born, it feels so fitting. It feels like something she would have wanted, a full circle moment, surrounded by love, remembering the life she lived. Mom had been battling cancer for the past 5 years. Through it all, she showed unwavering faith and strength. She was a devoted Christian, a true woman of God, who always reminded us to put the Lord first No matter what she was going through, she carried herself with grace. She was always smiling, always laughing, always choosing faith over fear. In many ways, our grieving didn't just start today. It began the day Mom was diagnosed. Over the years, we slowly learned to live with the reality of her illness, preparing our heart in ways we didn't even realize. But even with that time, even with that preparation, it doesn't hurt any less. The loss is still just as heavy, and her absence just as deep. One thing about Mom, she never liked to show when she was in pain. If you asked her how she was, her answer was always, "I'm fine, all is well," even when she clearly wasn't. Even in her hardest moments, she continued to put us first. She never wanted us to stop living our lives. Because of her illness, she would still encourage us to go out to that party, to that rugby game, that concert, that volleyball tournament, that sleepover. That's the kind of mother she was. Selfless. Selfless, strong, and full of love. She was such a deeply involved and loving mom. She supported us in everything we did, no matter what. Sometimes it even meant going against her husband. Because that's how much she believed in us and wanted us to live our lives fully. Mom was there for some of the most important moments in my life. She stood beside me and my husband in the birthing room when I had my daughter, Sarvina, her granddaughter, who carries her middle name, Nataka. That meant so much to her. Sarvina is now 9 months. And the bond they shared in that short time was so special. They were truly inseparable. Mom has taught me so much, not just about being a mother, but about being a wife and about being a woman. She showed me how to love deeply, how to be strong, and how to always put family first. But she also reminded me not to lose myself, to still live life for me, and not to worry too much about what others think. Mom had her fun side too. She was the one who would help me sneak out of the house and sneak back in. That was Mom, always in my corner, always understanding, always on my side. Mom, thank you. Thank you for being strong for us, for holding on, and giving me the chance to reach so many milestones with you by my side. Thank you for waiting for me to turn 21, to get married, and to have your first grandchild. Those moments mean everything to me, and I will carry with them from you forever. I promise I will look after my brothers for you. I'll be there for them just like you were for all of us. As we farewell Mom today, we take comfort in knowing she is now in peace, resting in the presence of the Lord that she loved so deeply. Though our hearts are heavy, we hold on to our faith, trusting that this is not goodbye forever, but until we meet again. We honor her not only in words, but in the love we continue to show one another. in the strength of our family and in the faith she taught us to hold on to. Rest peacefully, Mom. Mami Manga. We love you always.
Madam Prati, our Talatala mentioned that this is a celebration. And if you see me, I'm not in tears, while they are in tears. I'll put it in a telling way, and use a pidgin English, the non-speak pidgin, to apologize if I speak to pidgin. Alam mo kung bumalik, kayo mga nilaka, yung gamay kinarawan na akal namin po. The voice, everyone, from Wellington to Glenelg, all the family, from Australia, from Fiji. I could not tell all individual names. Some private messages, some have sent condolences. If you're watching on the live broadcast, bilang value to everyone. We have fighted fighters and we know much. Kaya naman rin lang, parang totoo. Kaya ngasip ka naman. Pero naman ito sa itin. Sabi niyo pa rin ito daw. Kaya sabi naman, nagpinta ka na naman bumalik. I'm just mentioning that I did not cry. Because on Thursday was my birthday. That was the last meal with her in hospice. And we ate with Susie. And the next day, which was on Friday, she did not talk. And we've been rotating, sleeping over with her in the hospice. Then my turn, Josh flew from Torana, spent 3 nights with Peace before went for Winport camp, as the Francis had mentioned, sports, online sports. She passed away on Saturday. My in-law Peter went to play rugby in Mutiaka. She had to play rugby here while she's dead. The way she wanted, we did that way. And on Friday, when she wake up, she will talk. And that was my day for me to go to sleep over, because I work from Monday to Friday. And that last night, I was with her, and she was authorized. I could say everything for all you guys been attending today. Sorry for my language, it's in English, in Pathways. Thank you very much. Thank you, Pathways. We came in Wellington, Karen, and the former employees. We send condolences from Brooklyn, Lower Hutt. I know the name, but I can't know the face. We have available Pathways in Glenelg, to everyone. Sa akin po pala, inatulungan ng mga ng Jesus Pinaka, may 11 yung Kalangki, Karua, may Goa, kaya mo na mga nila. Yung namin na, sabi mo, sino nito ka? Alam mo kung dito, namin naman. Kaya mo na mga nila. Mungkin itu beberapa bilang yang ngasih, orang cuma minta ini kuat ni, apa cuma bunuh rifti, dia punya sudah lepas cuma main. Kenapa punya orang? Orang tak boleh orang ngasih, orang ini email, orang sini rifti juga, orang pun sini nak cakap main. Kaya mana bilang, and on behalf of my family and even though they was to now and Timinderes family. I could not say much, so just to say thank you. Pinakawalaw sa tulungan sa mga may God-bless us all. To the rugby boys, thank you boys. I know that I've been telling the boys since I coached them and you guys. I told them I don't want tears. But it's automatic. Then join you guys soon for training and we'll be back to the battle. All good boys? No, thank
Naka sumna bueno natakal na pinatural tu dan sakana lut itu sakana terlarak na mibano na soto na transau na bulan na kasana na mabubal na usulubat may duri me basana na bosan ni Robert Raportis tahun lagi nomor bulan, merang dari tahun itu na sebelum nanti. Bogi itu saya tahun nom pas kami ada mengenai orang nama, saya punya kesalahan tuan menibos. Saya bangun, perbuatan di karbo tamen dile, kiru lintungan di bikara dengan orang lubat. Me dua macam tu menibos. Sama kira-kira nan pedalin berjumpa pula, kalau nasar jumpa pula mundur mau bosan, na hubungi atau buat. Maram dapat tunggu, dapat tunggu, dapat main korol zubu, nanti kino zubu, na busal obat, na sana nan rumah. Na itu kata kara dapat tumekin. Kung ano ito napatan ito akin at kain barang kung na ito ka ulmantua en warna ulubat ang dito na kolem ito yung hiritani lang pinapang rapasu na sa nawaw korolem karna yun naman na parang narasabay ito nga may napanaraskin na problem may napangarap. Malimasak na rasa ka na dito din doon doon kasi besar tungan ng ander na talan. Binabalir na sila buwan ni Boso ng una rawan ni parita ikinan doon na mulayan dengan beri susu dengan beri tumberde dengan beri takumaki kina mantubal karena rawan kita sekat kasih dari timi doon na maraman do bengkara dina ada buku ni imbala dari gua gol semua orang imbala selalu melihat na mus atau ada tu yang resi kila pernah paksawan dari kina bosen di bulatul may go kina lalu di uredi kuan sa waktu na kina na vitamin sa tarik batak sa walang tin sa mga mopaya sechu yung uredi kuan ng bulat kina kina ngona ni pada tarik batak itu na boleh weekend na pinakatu na nunda tuwa pinibula and sereki tu sa siniresin tu na pinibala sa nakika daw ng rumah doon na karting boleh barakat chilin boleh kita kina na binabali ang nirapalata ng nalpungan itali yung dua ito marotak garapatunan itali ni bubali Banua, pabili lalu. Kila yang asal tungan yang boleh di nonra itu betul-betul bikin kita kelas di sambil ibadah itu tungan untuk berat. Untuk sulian buat itu tabi lalu tu Banua se ubal do tungan mainan kosa-kosa banan rola. Cuba raucu tak memang. Nabalik na Barama, memang mereka boleh na penegara kitabi, kadang dua, mereka nak matakan pina na nonambula na nungkoy balik. Nabalik na kami na rin kuwak na kuna sa katalangan na matahubal na bunulubat so relative na kurwarua value na tinanongan ni akere bosud na sinilib na que tu so ni tomo so ni makarau so ni malawala so ni mosobosa si naka matandog na turangan ita turangan luto ni timing na kasi turara so do liban mo sa tayo sa matahubal sa kerana mundo bi bangalota kerana mundo bi usut mulai di napi dali ko na kate de start back as dendre na moment sa foto rata me tigo tale do na ko na bi kani ko marro ya ko tunga kina na bi barota kina kalau kina na bulan na bulan bi kani madi tigo sartina mento saratunga na rosa di babe na rosa di usul tu nama kubale lubat berlihat na kurbarua sa paskana terlihat.
First of all, I'd like to apologize if I butchered the greetings and the ending of this speech. Isabella Binaka, Maloli Lay, Kalafalava, Kanakatokato. Good morning, everyone. And thank you all for being here today. My name is Anna, and I stand before you today as the younger sister of Aviani Nataka Norika, known to most as Taka. Though my sister would probably want me to remind everyone that she was the eldest, and she never let me forget it. We gather here with heavy hearts to farewell my beautiful sister Taka, a woman deeply loved. His presence brought strength, love, and warmth to so many. Today is also a significant day for our family, as it is her birthday. So today, as we lay her to rest, we are also remembering the day she came into this world. It's a bittersweet moment. The day that gave her life is now the day that we say apart. And my sister, we honor you today, not just in goodbye, but in gratitude for the life you lived and the life you gave me. To our family, friends, work colleagues, the hospice team of nurses, and all who can come to stand with us today, thank you for surrounding us with your love, your prayers, and your support. It means so much to us. Taka was more than my sister. She was my friend. She was my comforter. And we saw it. As a child, I was a bit daredevil. If there was trouble, she was usually right there in the middle of it. Bold, fearless, and full of life. For many of us here today, sorry, I lost my speech. For many of us here today, it might be hard to believe because the woman that she became was a contrast. Calm, caring, and full of grace. She went through so much with the cancer journey that she carried herself with grace, strength, and dignity. Even in the darkest moment, she kept going. She kept the faith until the very end. And that faith carried her through in a never stop taking care of her family. That was who she was. If you knew my sister, family was everything to her, not just important, but always her priority. As the eldest of the siblings, she made sure we knew it too. And we knew it with love. She looked out for us, guided us, checked us when needed, and carried that role with pride. And just in case anyone thinks being unwell changed that, it didn't. She still made sure she was the boss of me, even from a hospital bed. Somehow I was still being told what to do. You could never outrank the eldest. She also gave so much of herself through her work with Pathways as a mental health support worker. And I can honestly say she excelled at her job. She cared deeply for people, she showed compassion, she made a difference. And I think some of those work skills followed her home too, because after many years in mental health support work, she was very well trained in managing difficult people, especially me. I sometimes think I was the longest running client. That was her though. Caring, capable, strong, faithful, and always looking out for others. She had a way of making people feel loved and cared for. Her love was shown in action, in sacrifice, and in loyalty, and in the way she held her family together. We would also like to acknowledge and thank the hospice team who cared for her. Thank you for always making sure she was seen to, for your compassion, for helping making her journey as comfortable and supportive as it could possibly be. We are truly grateful. Losing her is broken my heart. Life will never be the same for a woman to go out that she gave, the memories made, and the legacy she leaves behind in the kids. Today we grieve, but today we also honor her strength, her faith, her service, her love for her family, and the beautiful life she lived. My Cece, thank you for loving me. Thank you for showing us what courage looks like. Thank you for carrying us, even while carrying so much yourself. Rest now, my Cece. Go in peace, go in love, and know you are deeply cherished. Know them and love. Toka'a, Tofa, Soifua, Haide, Abdullah, Moderate, Boninadura. My niece has wrote a song for her last night that she would like to share.
Samay dawa tunay tabi enang bulan
A well-known rugby commentator back in Fiji, 1970s to 1980s, Master Saki Usombose, well-known school teacher from the island of Maui. He always co-commentated with Graham Eden, well-known broadcaster back in Fiji. Especially when Fiji and Tom and Samoa used to play in those days. Very tough and very rough. Bleeding noses. Punches throwing around the grounds. Old Marcus Park in Suba. Now the stadiums. And this gentleman from Gao, who is a well-known school teacher, used to say, as a statement, when the going gets tough, only the tough gets going. That's what I would like to sum up the life of this beautiful woman right in front of us. When the going gets tough, only the tough gets going. A very tough lady, well known from our neighbors from Naronga. They are tough, rugby players. How they live their lives. I and myself know that very well. When the going gets tough, gets going. Where are the two rules? Where are they? Where are the rules? Yeah. You know when you play rugby in the quarterfinals back in Christchurch, you played so well. But come the semi-final, instead of passing the ball, you started kicking. And you the Lua made the team lose. But when the tough gets away, you don't like now. Kicking the ball. If you remember Mom, in your memory, when the brain gets tough, only the tough gets going. Stop kicking the ball. Remember Mom, when you go back to play rugby, you are good rugby players. When the brain gets tough, only the tough gets going. Instead of kicking the ball, show how you step, very good steppers. Nobody will be there. What are they going to ask when you are? Nobody will come. Nobody will have enough. Nobody will be there. The children throw me in the back. Nobody will take the yellow night. Nobody will be there. Two the people will take it to the room. Na ulu tulipo bana manelewa ndomani. The best is yet to come. Kando tuno choresi. Because the sota, but she never have it do the sota but the management to Bula, everything but the best is still to come. We live with hope. The Bula to get kind of kind of rain and kind of water. All the rugby players were here. Remember this word from these old men. When the going gets tough, only the tough gets going. So stop kicking the ball when there's a tough and the team from the other side gets tough. That's for all of you. You remember their 1 year. So you cool under pressure. As she always say, all is well. We can then in the Tico, the Roman National. 7 years ago, taking on the Muleke and on the Mulai, but also be simplified. It's how you live your life that matters most. You can live 70 odd years like these old men here. But your life is not purposeful, not meaningful, what a waste of life. The 20 volta we also said in the moment to volta. And but you try to bring us up on the moon. But the just can be so good. The coming be me out of the non di una madre to bene ma su qua con te mo tempo ne capi qua. My Nelson can ultra to mobile in your don't just exist, but live. Live your life. They will give me a good testimony of life well lived because I'm not. So if you ever remember mom, live your life. Don't just exist. Don't feel big on yourself. Satan always comes through when we feel big on ourselves. You're opening the door for Satan to come inside you. For you not to move, not to know your purpose, not to know how to live. Stop that. You move forward. Che non c'è tu non vuoi avere un domani, lo capite via. Era così di ci subire ora. Sta un po' di governare, sta tagliando. Lo capite via, lo tagli da chi che non dona che non vedo. Ni mbere ni au mai ke besi kana dona kai ke le no go umige mai mai ke le watu go luti ki ke mai ye ni ada bi kan go ni sini na kana ke wala bele mai besi kana. So you better prepare yourself for the future and move forward with purpose and meaning. That can be to one of you. Lo kan ga something to the skill. I will say this world is very short. It's just temporary. Non da pune burbur ko salama takai mama to male puro ko tu na tabla ye na ka tu de sa tu me lo male ta tu me bar ko sa tu ki no na morne ki na tomata ka da bila ka ni sa politiko da bunau wasi do ki tikili ma vida tikili no ma meu ma to male ki ni lo ma si ko rete ni dile reki na tomata ka da bila ka ni sa politiko kana mulu kunya kera binaka ni nono da kera say kwanga go ni should go. What is the gift of God? For you to enjoy life. When you are sick, you are sick from your work, fighting in the family, whatever. Enjoy life. You cannot enjoy life without Christ. Your work does not give you enjoyment. Am I true or not? You can earn huge amount of money, but money cannot give you joy or peace. It is your belief in Christ, your union with Christ. When you believe God, you will enjoy whatever little you have at home. Family life. Marriage ni puluh beti na mani. Nomor puluh beti. Marriage no mula. Yang rusik puluh beti. Enjoy life. Kaya no mani. Ni marotan ni buli. Nangito. Banyak penilaian kan ada di puluh. Kunya na kera na changa sai kwena ko ni shuri na ko kake ne sa ka bana ko ele tunga ka sini sena ka me bagai kuri takina ibu shuri ba ko sa no ba ya we bagai libi sa bulo me ba ko so sena sa ka na ko sa sena ka me ko te me kina sa ka mo ko ko be relativo Wa wena man. Kasa tu ke liu sa tu ni dai. Na kai le tu me mori se kwe ke tu ke liu. Ia na karo, na taronga ta na kasa. Ke baba le rosa, it's how you live. Ya kai tu ni no. So remember that I said how you live life. That's very important. Not the problem of it, not the problem of the body. We are kind of it's how you live life. It's how you use the talent given to you by God. It's how you maneuver through hardships like this beautiful lady here. Maneuvering yourself. Now we are making a bit tu no pola vera ke pipa yo va me na te ko ulidi me o va ke ti ko ka ke na salpia me o kila na ro ro kila ta na ro ti yo me kila na mo me kila na ta ia me ka ke na ko na salvata do me bu ki Cristo ko sa va ko ti. It's only through Christ and the Holy Spirit you can maneuver yourself. You can enjoy yourself. Vitalmente to me ka tu ko all is fine. Didn't make something with Virginia, you never know my place with it. So I don't make a goal very quickly. Didn't I sound of my name they sound Virginia, but not the one. Didn't I sound of my name what they sound? You never want them on a sample of boy in the true. Now I want a Roma and a basic and because I tell them together on my was weird. Didn't I sound both of my name what they sound? You never want them on a cruise on the world, never want them Roma. And we see killing another. Never can you. No, sometimes you're running the town of Kaki. When you're running the town of the way, for the rich when they come with the token, where they are talking. You can say you run out in your Tassau, and you can't get the room. Okay, so to go, maybe the room will come to the song of the medicine. The Santa Ramada. Here is our fire, there is a town. Oh, someone ran somewhere with me. But I can't open. I don't need to carry out my makeup. Then carry out my makeup in the room. So, what else? No, but I don't know what to do. So, I have to find a way to come here. But I don't know whether the Roman is simple to go. When they make a little political, but I don't know if they're again. It's a clear to go and come to the family very long. Clear to go, man. You're a young man. Look at me. It's how you live that matters. Say anybody in Bula, say, Rono can even have some, Rono can even have Boitina, Rono can even have Talema, and a lot of it's how you live that matters. That can be able to do. No more and it should be. So don't just exist. Because I think without too much about something about the community talking. So don't just exist. Come now with everybody. Just work on their home. Just existing. You go out to short, eh? It's simple that I won't go around to me with you. You want to get to me over it? And I don't put it to the short. You don't go back to the short. You want to make the short. You're not coming in the morning. Yeah, where's the girl? Kapri mana suatu, diri ramai kasih mentasam bawa TV tanya, ini belum pulau mati. Apa mana suatu? Itu sah ribu jasa kan pulau itu sakit kita sampai sesuatu. So don't just exist. Kata tapi butuh orang yang berbeda kan berbeda. Live. Kita berkait kurma apa? Sampai orang yang berbeda. Don't just exist, but live. When the going gets tough, only the tough get going. But we want to know the community. Now when we want to pull it back, 1888. Now when we want to somebody give a chance, now we want to jangan kita berkali dengan mula. Ya sah mula ya. Mula mau imbal mana? Yang mula yang mesti kita dia sampai kita. Now when we begin to nak, now come, turun tu go. Now turun lagi. Semua tu berbuat. Boleh orang tu boleh jenar tu. Tosso non vuole rispondere. Vuoi fare chiedere che li siamo, ma il curvo lo fa, non me lo vuole subscrivere. Ma mi devo capire, non mi tocca di guardare. Aka, non vuole rispondere. Santi poi te metto lì, dal rondo di cuore, sempre lì di me, non vuole dire. Memilako, laban kaki memilaki toro rawe na nambula, na marami pinako. Memilako memilaki mula tama. Merata nga bigi tatau ti bigi toso. Bigi tatau na rawe bigi kaisa tu medere. Ya ne rin kay mula, ito mata sama rin. So pwede ka memilaki ni Madyan. Like mga 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 tabi, ano balik yan, memilaki sa Madyan. Tumay mo balik kaya ba kaya Madyan. Ano mo kumuni Jisu, ne magituranga kay mo. Kaya menare ni kontrol rawon subut tulisan. Sangai bukan dia itu. Kini kita dulu tu kita lagi sudah berproses dalam pemerintah. Don rawon subut tu. Kalau sangai bukan dia itu Jisu bingkai. Let us rise and ask the choir to sing the hymn. Today and forevermore. Amen. Let us be seated. Asulah berbentuk na kasih kita dalam kita
church elder just told me to explain the next step from here. Where is my Pilara? Where is? Anyway, on behalf of the Lurga family and all of us, the church families from here, we're heading to Farewell Cemetery. Tinindile will be laid with the dead, which is already there in 2014, and from there we will proceed back to the back of this church hall for a shared lunch, and then we end the celebration of Tinindile's going to Jesus the Almighty. So therefore, I would like to ask Kasih and the team to continue with the journey.
What do you mean, Luke? I'm gonna go to my mom now. Ellie!
Estaba en Nunia. Sim.
Betul dirna sukumana no certo ban sa robot solvay. Jadi Pak bikin dibu. Oh, sorry.
Yan. Yung malamay. May nalinaw mo dito. Eh, nagkagumalibo. Yan. Yan. Nakakarwa. Nawala yung boy.
When sit down.
Luto mo. Ito mo. Eh? Ako sumirwa. Ako sumirwa.
Di sa takalio te burubura na erlona na wekanda sanga idimba enda sa tunga ina linga ni kalau enda sa mai bulu tiki na ngona nang gele gi nang gele na soso gi na soso na nuku ki na nuku kaku ni rarau na lama mundo do sabu kan bau na kalau do kan bau tiu talanga sabu kan tiki na vale tamangu o satu kan bi kamdo ni sa lo dake lagi baru tagen do tiki na mena mundo au na lago talamai kau tiki mundo bi au mundo tiki talanga ya na bonua kau satu ko kina o de na tau se kanda mai na lola mai Kristo na kararawali sena luma na bia kana na lubai wale sena mate sena ni dora kai na tau se kanda ra mai na loma di kalau sa tunga na bula ni Jesu Kristo amai dabe dora bula ali sunan gele ginangele sa tuta le na lo ni lingi kalau da lesu da lagi baru tai kanda talanga na daga daka na dabra kai da bole taka doni singa enda na lesu tali ginangele ya na londa me lesu na bagadiego lesu ni lingi kalau sa tu gino tine dile ene singa libu ndaga di kuwa kreme da masu mem sabo ga bile binaga be kemuni amai dabe ndoni lako mai nandeli bono bo turanga mai na kurbo rua amai dabe nei lako na South Island ke New Zealand na korro ni waini to toka New Zealand o Blenheim na kena rara sama isuga gina ngele na yalo sa tu ene linga mudi sabo ga bile binaga tagatal mbula yanga bula bo mbale na mbula sambo leki mami bagalem ni sulia mai bige mami gendora kage masulaka masuta na bosa kai go leisa bi ke muni leisa be leisa no muni tamata me boga rua tagi bi ke mami na lo tiwa alo ni mbole alo ni zaka alo ni loloma alo ni bika waitaki na yalo enda ukune na badem dinanga ni sota bitone ndende marwen mbula bu vale no muni tamata rotoni sholi nei tumbutumbu le beo kani kedi mitingo mami lesu mitigo bigi mami na yalu tigo ba mami le marro daga taka nei nagi nim buligi mami na buru gi mami tigo kina va kalonga te kendo go choba ga marro kanda sero ni kanda na mata choba kanda u yalo loma bi kanda ya sanda u na mata bi kendo go choba ka boga shine ti kanda no bodem no munilo loma lebu na kalo na tamai ke mami na loloma sa votu ene be mataka na loloma I chisu na lebe muni so limbule me mater buke ke mami boga de ngone be tumberi na be marroi na be boga bowi be ba kau ko tagi ni lomuni na lo tambu no muni loloma gina no muni boga de ngone kalo e tolu sa ndole ndombo nga tiko sarre na buba na bula rika tiko ba ke mami kede ene singa le buni ku ene be singa ni mami mbula ni kila kalo sa vo yeme kako sar ni mundu amen ene adi ni kalo tamanda na lubene ngene lo tambu sabu ka zabaria ni kana ngarabi na bo suga ngele bitine ndile ni singa libuni ko na bo le
Mama,
Bro, kira-kira rivitimi. Misalnya kami bitaba sebenarnya ngolet juga dari bitaba. Lewe, tu pakai rumah yang kita bitaba rivitimi kira-kira. Mengambil tambah satu orang dari bitaba. Dibu untuk tahu ya. Iya dibu, nak boleh dibu. Nanali.